I want to make a quick preview of a new carburetor I just got from Technology Elevated. This is the SmartCarb 2. This is the billet aluminum version, which it's quite heavy. It weighs around 950 grams, which is, I think it's almost 2 pounds. It feels solid and very, very high quality. This is the 36 millimeter. The stock Mikuni that I have on my KTM is 38, but Technology Elevated recommend me to get the 36 for my riding style, and for a better fuel economy. The SmartCarb 2 allows you to plug and play the carburetor to your new new KTM bikes and all the modern 2-strokes bikes because of the shorter body length. So no need to do any mods to the air boot and all that like the previous one. This is just eliminates any need for jetting. So there is no jetting, no jets, no nothing. There is only this metering rod and that's it. Okay. You can do some adjustment using this slow speed clicker adjuster, and of course you have the idle screw and choke. It comes pre-configured from the factory. You just you just need to provide them the bike model that you have, any engine mods that you did, and riding style, and that's it. They are giving you the metering rod that they used. Of course, you have the serial number. You can provide this so they have all the information about your carburetor. The slide road length, which is how deep it is, and the idle screw settings, and the number of clicks that you have on the adjuster on the top. If you will tip over using this carburetor, there is no need to close the pitcock of the fuel tank because this carburetor is sealed, so no fuel spilling and no need to worry about this. This only hose that you have is for checking the fuel level on the float bolt, or if you want to drain the fuel from the bolt itself to do any maintenance that you want. I also bought by the way, this is also the manual. It's a printed color manual. Very nice, lots of details inside it. Actually, you need to read this, I think, before you use this carburetor. You can plug and play it, but you should read this. By the way, this carburetor price is $700. It's pricey, but I think it worth it because what you are getting for it. It's better than the Electron because it has more grunt power, so more torque from the bottom, better fuel economy, better horsepower increasement, and no fuel spillage, so it's great. Also, I bought the rebuild kit, which includes all the seals that you need, and spring, return spring, and all that, and needles and bolts. Yeah, I also ordered 2 additional metering rods, one linear and one richer. Because I'm located in Israel, it will take time if I need to change if I need another metering rod, shipping the current one to the US and replace it. So I bought these 2. I paid for them, but once I'll get my SmartCarb optimized for my bike and my riding styles, I can send those 2 back and I'll get a full refund, which is great. Their customer service is very, very good. I'll make a full review and comparison between this carburetor and the Mikuni one, and the stock Mikuni one, with some testing head to head. This is a really short preview. Thanks for watching, guys. I think this carburetor will make a huge difference on my bike. Hope so. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the full review and comparison between those carburetors. Bye bye.